Welcome to Paint with Neeraja. Let's draw and color a cute jungle leopard step by step. First, outline the leopard and leaves with black sketch pen. I have used Camel wax crayons. If you want to join online painting and drawing classes, please ping me. My mobile number is displayed on the screen. Start with viridian hue, medium pressure. Now light green, blend with high pressure. To show depth, I have used turquoise blue or dark blue. Now viridian hue, blend over the edges of turquoise blue. After that, light green, you can blend it with high pressure. Now background, I have used three colors: dark blue, purple and violet. With the help of violet, blend the edges of blue. Now purple, blend the edges of violet. Now for other leaves, follow the same procedure. Now blend with light green. You can apply with high pressure. Here I have used grass green for blending. Now olive green with medium pressure. Blend with lemon yellow, high pressure. Draw black dots. Use dark brown near the outline, medium pressure. Now blend with yellow ochre, high pressure. Thank you for watching Paint with Neeraja.